Okay, we've completed the portable suction. Now we're going to move on to the D-tank regulator. For the D-tank regulator, we're not going to need the hose that we used previously, so we're just going to put it out of the way. And we're going to be using the continuous flow hose and the regulator pressure hose. Before we go on to the test side of it, again, you want to record all of the information off of this. The type of regulator, which is a Flowtech, and then the serial number, which is written off to on the bottom side. Record that all onto the paper before you get started. You want to ensure that the tank is closed, which it is, and then basically we'll hook up the hoses. You push back on the coupler and you push it on. Then you take the other hose and there's a free port here, you plug it in. We now slowly turn it on. I usually go 90 degrees. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a reading off of the gauge. What you need is between 49.5 and 60.5, and we were reading 49.5 on this particular unit. The next step is we're going to be doing the flow rate. We've got a few different settings that we're going to have to check: 6, 10, and 15, and we're going to be recording each of the amounts when we do the test. First one, we're going to do 6. You turn the dial to 6, and then you read the amount on the ball here. And we have got 4, 6. We've got a reading, it's reading around 5. As you can see, it falls within the rate. It's supposed to be between 4 and 6, and we've got 5. The next reading is 10. So you turn the dial to 10. You should be reading between 8 and 12. Looks like we've got about 10. Record it. Then we go down to the next reading, which is 15. It's all, so you stop at 15, you record it. It should be between 14 and 18. And we have about 16. Record that. It fell within its requirements, so it's a pass. Does the ball move between 0 and 6? We noted that as we were turning it up and down, the ball does move. So it's a yes. Again, like all of the tests that we're going to be complete, we have today's date. We put it at the end of the regulator with the date on it. Make sure the tank is closed. Uncouple the coupling. Drain the air out of the tank just by leaving it open. This test is now complete.